the quiet of morning, I'll whisper your words, finding peace in the stillness within. Each breath draws me closer to understanding more what it means to begin again. When I'm lost in questions and searching for light, you show me the way through simple truth. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Every sunrise reminds me of grace renewed, like a child learning trust